Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Lenovo Tab P11. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices. Then you need to click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Now click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue. Oh, sorry, misclick. I accept, confirm, continue, and allow on both of them. After that, you need to select Send on Nokia and Receive on Lenovo. Then click on all of those kinds of dots and choose Send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so for example, I will click only on this one photo, choose Send, and then tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan the codes, you need to tap on this scanning icon over here on Lenovo, choose Allow, and point your camera at the code. But I don't want to do that, so I will just enter this code real quick. Choose Receive and wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into App Files, selecting Browse in the middle over here, and clicking on, in my case, Images. So over here, Send Anywhere folder can be found. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!